Oh, we made it to Boulder, Colorado. Okay, the skies were a little angry this morning, but they're opening up now. The sun is coming out, and here's the deal. I have not lived, so I went to school here in Boulder. I haven't lived here for 10 years. In fact, my old apartment is about a half mile from here, and since I moved away, they've built some new trail systems. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I don't even know exactly where they're at, but I'm gonna try and go find them. I'm gonna go on some old trails. Remember, one of my FKT attempts in this next, let's say, 6 to 8 weeks is gonna be Mount Sanitas, and it's right behind me. So we're gonna go to Mount Sanitas first and then try and go find these new trails. And yes, we're taking out the Salomon Sense Ride 3, and we're gonna double dip today into the VJ Max. Now here's the crazy thing. You know how much I love Salomon trail running shoes, and this is my first time in the Sense Ride lineup. So very excited to take both of these out for all of you. Let's lace up, let's get going, and butter the bread. All right, come on. See you at the car. Back down off Mount Sanitas. Okay, so it's about 20 minutes to the top, and I believe the FKT time is 14 minutes, so feeling real good about that attempt. Probably in the next, definitely in the next 4 weeks, so before June 1st. And all right, we're switching over. Oh, by the way, all right, listen everyone. Mountain running does not feel good right now. Transitioning from the marathons on the roads to mountain running, just like I said last week, we gotta embrace those transition periods in running, and frankly just in life. There's gonna be some tension and friction there as my legs and my biomechanics make that transition again from the quicker turnover to the uphill climbing, because it just it just doesn't feel as fluid right now. That's a good word for it, as I climb the mountains outside of Boulder. Okay, we are switching now to the Sense Ride 3s out of the VJ Maxes. I will get you my first impressions of the VJs probably in the next, let's see, what is today, Monday? Probably by Wednesday or Thursday. So here we go, switching over, Sense Ride 3s, lace up. Oh yeah, feeling good. Oh, the temperatures are just perfect out here. Okay, I'm gonna stop, soak in the view a little bit, and put down a spring. It's not even really a gel. It's hard not to call it a gel because it's more, I'd say, food-based than anything. It doesn't really have the consistency of a gel. Going with the hill aids, going uphill. Oh yeah. Oh, that's tasty. Vámonos. brick by brick, laying the foundation to the pyramid. All right, come on. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. You might look a little insane in the parking lot, but it's all worth it. All right, here we go. Solid day, breaking it down, back at the house. But I gotta go get me a little something, something. Gotta go get me a little something, something. Oh yeah, just a little vanilla frozen custard on this hot, hot day after a big mountain run. I did see, I uploaded there that we got 4,100 feet of vertical gain, so I'm feeling good about that. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Can you see it in my eyeballs? I'm a little tired, so we're not going to go out to the studio tonight to wrap up the vlog. We're closing it out here at my standing desk. And brick by brick, that's what I posted on Strava, brick by brick, meaning I'm putting little bricks, just little ones, into the base of that aerobic pyramid early in the training block, which is still, you know, a little up in the air, not knowing what's going to happen with Pikes Peak. But every day, just brick by brick, nice and easy. So 11 miles, actually almost 12 miles. I'm looking at Strava right now. And about 2 hours and 23 minutes of moving time. Bearing in mind the total run was much longer than that because I was stopping and buttering the bread on some of those shots. I hope you enjoyed the drone and the GoPro shots, getting the mud shots, and oh, I just love it. I love everybody. I love running. I love running, but I do love filming for all of you as well and trying to make something that motivates you, hopefully, to turn that doorknob on your apartment, on your house, wherever you live, and get out the door. So that was part of the intention of today's edit and vlogging for all of you. So thank you for being here. Thanks for watching. As always, brick by brick, onward and upward we go. Oh, that was fun. That was a good one. So here we go. All right, we're going to toss it back to, I don't even know. I'll try and find another motivating vlog, probably from up in the mountains as well. We'll toss it back right there. Man, maybe something from last summer. All right, right there, right there, right there. Thanks for being here, as always. And if you care to share it, I would appreciate it as well. All right, seek beauty, work hard, and love each other. See you tomorrow.